If you are a professional braider, please don't y'all jump me. Do not jump me in the comments. I told y'all I can't braid worth a darn. I told y'all that. Hey y'all, today we are installing this half wig right here. RPG hair. I'm gonna do it the regular way so you can see how easy it is. You need no skill to pay the bill.
All you got to do is finesse and not stress.
And then I'm gonna do some braids. Okay, now before y'all get to judging me in the comments, I know I'm still practicing my braids and cornrows and stuff. I know that. If you new over here, welcome. But let me tell you something. I braid like somebody's little cousin who just jumped on YouTube University to learn how to braid yesterday. Okay, so what? So what? Pray for me, because I see little things on Pinterest and stuff, and for whatever reason,
I just feel that I can do it.
but I have been practicing. Y'all don't do me like I ain't been practicing out here. Don't do that. But that's why I'm gonna show you the normal way first, so you can see how beautiful this is. This is a lovely wand curl human hair 20-inch half wig. Y'all look how thin this is. That's a feature right there. Y'all don't know that. That means seamless is very thin. Wherever you place it, it is going to lie very flat. That matters. I know. I done hairstyles where you can see smack through. Boom. I know that's a half wig. Let me focus for a minute before I possibly get on here and embarrass myself in front of almost 400K people. Anything with wand curls already wanded and curled is alright with me. I love wand curls, but I don't really care to do it myself. So when it's already done like this, not only are these wand curls in here, but this is a kinky texture. So these are not silky wand curls. No, this texture is kinky. This is a very natural density. It's not gonna go anywhere. Look at that. This stretchy material right here with the silicone strips is in the cap. They made it in there. They put it off over there for you, okay? You have, bam, removable combs if you want to remove them now. I know we got a love-hate relationship with these wig combs, so do what you will with them. They're all removable, okay? Then this baddie right here is always my favorite accessory on the wig, this drawstring. This right here, that's how you get customizable sizes. It's too easy. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna show you, but y'all pray on these braids, okay? Hold a minute.